Okay, hello first graders. Today we're looking at lesson 9-6. They're going to ask us to make sense and persevere. So we know that's when we have a big challenge and we take it small steps and we keep going. That's what it means to persevere. The page number is 527. So if you can please take out your books and your pencils. I'm going to share my workspace with you here now. All right, and you can see that's lesson 9-6, page 527. And on that page, you will see Marta with lots of shapes and numbers inside. Make sure you can see this, okay? There we go. All right, I'm going to go ahead and read from here, and you can follow in your book. I am thinking of a secret number. The number is greater than 20 and less than 30. The number is inside a shape with 4 sides. What is the secret number? What strategy did you use to find it? Okay, so there's several directions in the information that she gives us. So we're going to go ahead and go back, identify important information, and take it one step at a time. Okay, so the first part tells us I am thinking of a secret number. So we know that our job is going to be to figure out what the secret number is. The next part says the number is greater than 20. Okay, greater than 20, we know that means bigger than 20, and less than 30, which means smaller. Okay, all right, so let's just start with the first piece of information, greater than 20. That means that greater than 20 and less than 30, that means it has to be somewhere in between 20 and 30. Okay, so if I come over here and I look at these numbers that I have, 25 I see is in between 20 and 30. 22 is also in between, right? 41, now is that in between 20 and 30? No, it's too big, right? So I'm going to go ahead and cross out 41. How about 19? Yep, it's too small, so we're going to cross that one out. Okay, how about 27? That one could work. How about 14? A little bit too small, right? It says it's greater than 20. How about 38? That can't work because it's less than 30. Okay, how about 6? Nope, we know it has to be greater than 20. What about 56? No, we know it needs to be less than 30. How about 31? Nope, it needs to be less than 30, right? 31 is greater than. And how about 22? It's greater than 20 and it's less than 30, so that's another option. So far we've gone and we've crossed out all the ones that don't fit the clue that's given. All right, let's look at the next clue. The number is inside a shape with 4 sides. Okay, inside a shape with 4 sides. All right, let's look at this first shape. It does not have 4 sides, does it? So I'm going to eliminate that one. How about the next option? 1, 2, 3 sides. So that one also does not fit the clues. Ooh, we have one number left here. It is greater than 20. It is less than 30. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Looks like we figured it out, guys. Our number is 27, isn't it? So in the sentence below, we're going to fill in the secret number is, and we're going to write 27. Okay? All right. Nice job on that. Let's go ahead and turn the page and find some more examples of reasoning and perseverance. So this first box here says, Carl has a secret number. It is greater than 40 and less than 50. His number is red. What is Carl's secret number? Okay, let's go back and narrow down some of this information. We know that it is greater than 40, so that means it has to be bigger than 40, and less than 50. So it's somewhere between 40 and 50, right? His number is red. We also know the color. So that kind of narrows it down also, doesn't it? We can eliminate all the ones that aren't red. Okay, let's look at Marta's thinking. She says, how can you make sense of this problem? I can look at what I know in the problem and what I am asked to find. Okay, so she's going to share her strategy. My strategy is to make a list of numbers and use the clues that I know. Okay, so here's her number list. She knows it's somewhere between 40 and 50. So first, she narrows those numbers down. She comes up with 41, 45, and 46. All of those numbers are between 40 and 50. Okay, now the next clue says that the number is red, right? So the second clue says the number is red, which means that we can eliminate the first and the second choice, and she's able to narrow it down to the number 46. So 46 is the only number that fits both clues. Okay? All right, let's take a look at the guided practice. Use the numbers above to solve each riddle. Write the secret number, explain your work. Okay, so we're going to use the numbers to solve each riddle. We're going to write the secret number, and we're going to explain as we go. So, looking at number 1. The clue says, I am a green number. Okay, so here are our choices here. We just narrowed it down to a green number. I am greater than 45 and less than 60. Okay, so it has to be somewhere between 45 and 60. Which number am I? Okay, well, I'm only going to look at the green numbers, right? Because it tells us it's green. So let's first start with 45. Is 45 greater than 45? No, it's the same as it, isn't it? So that one won't work. Okay, how about 22? Is 22 greater than 45? No, that one's less than. Okay, let's look at the last one, 57. Is 57 greater than 45? It sure is. And then how about the next part, less than 60? Yes, 57 is also less than 60. That's the only one that fits all of the clues. So our answer is 57. All right, let's take a look at number 2. I am a blue number. Okay, so we're back here. We know it has to be one of the blue numbers. You say my name when you count by tens. Oh, okay, so when we count by tens, we say that number. Which number am I? So let's take a look just at the blue numbers. When I'm counting by 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80, and so on, do I say the number 50? I sure do, don't I? And it's a blue number. It matches both clues. 24, I don't say, and 41, I also don't say. So 50 is the only one that matches both clues. Okay? All right. Let's go ahead and take a look then at the independent practice. It's asking us to make sense of each riddle to find the secret number. Show and explain your work. Okay? So, you can see there's several books here. Each book has its own number and different colors, right? In addition, they tell us the name of the person who owns the book. So all of those pieces of information we're going to need to use and be aware of as we go through to narrow down the clues. Okay, so let's try number 3 together as an example. It says the number of pages in my book is less than 96 and greater than 90. Okay, so these are page numbers, guys. Good thing we did this part together. So I know that it's less than 96 and greater than 90. Okay, so 55 is less than 96, but it's not greater than 90, so that can't work. 90 is less than 96, but it isn't greater than 90, it's the same. Okay, 75, not greater than 90. 92 is greater than 90, and it's less than 96. Ooh, so this one could be it, right? How about 82? Well, that one is less than 96, but it's not greater than 90. How about 95? 95 is less than 96 and it's greater than 90. Ooh, here's another possibility, right? Okay, then we have this book, which has 96 pages. That is not less than 96, that's the same. Then we have 48. Nope, that's, well, okay, I'm sorry. It's less than 96, but it's not greater than 90. 64 is less than 96, but it's not greater than 90. And finally, we have 98. Let's see, that is not less than 96, so it doesn't match the first clue. So there's only two options based on that first piece that we have. That's this yellow book that has 92 pages and the red book that has 95 pages. So I'm going to write those two choices right here. So far, we've narrowed it down to the book with 92 and the book with 95. Okay, now I'm going to read the next part. It says, I have 3 letters in my name. Who am I? Okay, so let's go back. The first book belongs to Carla. She has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters in her name. And the next book belongs to Jay. He has 1, 2, 3 letters in his name. Ah, we've narrowed it down, haven't we? The only one that fits all the clues is this book here that belongs to Jay. So when it asks, who am I? We're going to fill in Jay's name there, Jay. Okay, so that's the kind of process that you'll need to do for numbers 4 and 5. You're going to look at the clues. You're going to match the clues to which books follow in those clues, and then you're going to write the options here, and then you can narrow it down based on the last clue that they give you. Okay? All right, guys. These are kind of fun. They're like little puzzles, so have fun with them. All right? I hope you guys have a great rest of the day, and I will be seeing you very soon. Take care. Bye.